everyone, welcome back to another video from TechBasics. In this video, we will be learning how to download MetaMask application on your PC. So if you want to use MetaMask on your PC, then you'll first need to get it on your PC. So let's go ahead and do it. First of all, open a web browser, and soon after you do that, go to the search box and type in metamask.io and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for MetaMask. Here you will be able to see the download link appearing at the top right. Simply click on that and select your device's operating system from the list. In this video, we are gonna install MetaMask on our PC. Simply go to the Edge option and click on Install MetaMask for Edge, or whatever web browser you are using. There are available links for supported web browser from where you can download MetaMask. Select the web browser you are currently using, which is Edge for me for now, and this will then take you to the add-ons page from where you can click on the Get button right next to MetaMask. Now click on Add Extension in the pop-up at the top, and this will download the MetaMask extension on your browser. After installing MetaMask, you will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Simply go ahead and pick any one. After agreeing to the MetaMask terms of use, follow through the prompts after you select an option, and you will be able to set up your wallet. If you want to pin your wallet's extension at the top, simply click on this extension button at the top right, and then click on the three dot right next to MetaMask and click on Show in Toolbar. Now every time you open up the browser, you can click on the MetaMask logo at the top right and start using MetaMask and interact with decentralized applications and manage your cryptocurrencies securely using PC. So that's how you can easily download MetaMask on PC in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.